Hi, Pádraig here, McNally Motors. Today I want to show you around our 2021 Toyota Yaris. This is the 1 litre Luna petrol model, finished in silver metallic paint. It's got the low annual road tax, has a 12 months warranty and roadside assistance, and it'll be a full 2 years NCT. Now we'll take what features the car has to offer. It's got front fog lights as standard. It's got the 15-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with excellent tyres all around. Got spotless bodywork also. It's got a nice size boot for a hatchback, protected boot liner with fold down seats for additional space. Plenty of legroom for a hatchback. It's got the Isofix for the car seats on both sides. It's finished in navy and grey cloth interior. Electric front windows, automatic headlights, multifunctional steering wheel with built-in radio, phone and cruise control functions. Touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth. It's also got the reversing camera. It's got the Apple Carplay and Android Auto function. Manual 5-speed gearbox. Manual handbrake. Air conditioning. Car SOS function for emergencies. And there's just over 49,500 kilometres on the clock. Here at McNally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options on this Yaris to suit your needs. Please give us a call on 043 33 45621. Visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car. You can also book a test drive. Thanks for watching.